All right, what's up, traders? Welcome back to KG Trading. Today's gonna be a live day trading video. I did just buy this stock literally like 20 seconds ago. I forgot to get this running, so I did just buy here at 280. Um, I was looking for this to break over 286, and it never did. Came back down to support. It broke it by like a cent here, but it started to bounce up, so I did get in here. Stop is gonna be below like 277 area. I'm in with 30 shares. Looking for it to come back up to 286 level and see if it can break. If not, guess I'll have to get out. Barely any volume right now. Like literally no volume. That's good for the red candle that there's no volume. Um, I don't know. Next candle is either gonna have to break over these three consolidating candles or it's gonna drop. It's gonna do one or the other, probably. I opened all the way down there. Wow. Okay. Okay. Go over 280. If you could break through there, it'll probably go up a couple cents. I don't know why it has such a hard resistance here. Just nobody wants to buy. There's more buyers than sellers right now. You can see on Active Trader. 144 compared to 102. It's probably going to break. Maybe not now. You can see there's like no buyers here and there's a whole ton of sellers. So that just makes the price come down. Let's see. Very slow trade. Give it. 76 is my stop. Well, and I have to get out, right? It does have support there. Good bounce. It does have support, so it might bounce. I don't know. I will hold it for a second. Only because I have support here. Not for breaks? Okay, it did. So I'm getting out. Okay. It broke it. Okay, so there's $1.20. Gone. Buying power, we have 143 left. So it was a failed breakout. It never wanted to get over this level for some reason, 280. And it was going with the trend, and then it finally broke the trend line. And as you can see, it faked out now. It was a good stab, but there was no follow through. There was just like no volume coming in at all in this consolidation area. Alrighty. Let's go find another stock. ISIG. They don't look good at all. The stock, I don't even know what it is. That's all I get for the chart. I can't scroll. This stock is just not looking too good to me. I mean, it might look good if it can get over this level up here, right here. Then it might look decent, but until that ever happens, I don't like it. There's like no volume on any of these stocks. I'll show you the scanner. The only one that has good volume is ASTC. So it's probably going to be what I'm going to trade still. Let's see if we can find another good setup. They got support here at 274. Now this trend line is going to become resistance if it ever comes back up. It's not going to want to break through it immediately. Might have this little trend. I don't know if this is a trend or not, but that could be a trend. Descending resistance. Right now it's bouncing off of VWAP. I do like to buy on VWAP. And it's got support here. This could be a good stab to buy. I actually am going to buy this. VWAP is right there. Okay. VWAP is there. Support line is there. If it breaks that line, I'm going to have to get out. There's just a lot of support there. So that's why I'm going to enter. The more support, the better the chance it has to bounce off of it. Let's see. I know most of the moves lately are pre-market, so that's why I'm trying to trade more pre-market than market open. Because everything when market opens, it's mainly like that first 5 minutes, and then all it does is drop all day long until like midday, and I can't trade then. So I need to trade pre-market. Okay, I need to get out, and I'm not gonna get filled. So did I just buy another 20? Shit. I clicked the wrong side. Oh my god, that's so stupid of me. I cannot believe I just did that. And I can't get out. Won't stop moving. Are you serious? I just did that? Dude, let me get out. Come on. I can't believe I just did that. You guys saw that live. Stupid mistakes. If I can get out of this position, please. Would be great. Thank you. Now I'm down 360. I did not want to buy another 20 because I just deleted all my buying power. As you can see, it broke that support and it dropped. I was trying to get out up here, but I accidentally bought shares. So I just made my loss much bigger than it should have been. That's very annoying. Very annoying. Can't believe I just did that to myself. They need to make these colors brighter and darker because they are kind of the same. They're not that different of a color. They're just too dark. So this stock won't stop falling off. The 5 minute looks way overextended to the downside now. All has been doing is going down. I do see this as a possible support trend line. Actually, that's exactly what they just hit. Look at that. I could buy here now with the last for 20, 30 bucks I have. How many shares can I buy? Like 10? I'll buy for this trend line. If I can get in. Wait a second. Okay. And I don't have any more buying power, right? No. Just get with everything. Used all my buying power just because of that stupid mistake. Well, they're going. I'm up 10 cents. Cancel that order. So I'm at 10. I'm looking for it to break back over 74, and I'm going to wait to see what happens. The next 5 minute setup is all the way up at 78. So if we can get up there, I would definitely like to hold my shares. But I don't think it's ever going to get up there in the time being. Let's see what happens. I bought here because it has a support trend line, and it's also kind of overextended on the 5 minute. Last 5 minute candles, they've dropped a decent amount here. If it can get back over 274, I would like it a lot more. Let's see. This stock is very, very slow here. Had a ton of good volume here. 204,000 on this tiny little candle at the bottom. But now look at, there's like no volume at all. 8,000, 25,000. That's so bad. But this is literally the best gapper. Has the most volume. Like out of all of them. So today's going to be a slow day for everybody, I guess. Unless somehow I just don't have the right stocks. Which is possible. I might not have the right ones. You never know. So I was just looking at my a different screen here. I guess they just broke over 274. Let's see. I would like a candle to close above it. I'd be happy. Well, the best gapper is still ASTC. So don't know where everybody is today. This trade might take a while. I'm up 10 cents in the trade. Right? Oh no, 2 cents. Yes, 2 cents. I'm looking for at least like over 5 cents. There's still no volume. Look at the volume down here. That's just telling me nobody's buying. Where's the big moves? There's like nobody trading today. Where is everybody at if they're not on the stock? That's the question. Let me see. Okay. Is this going to break over 274 yet or what? Technically it did, but that white wick just appeared. The candle didn't even move up there on my screen. I'm up 4 cents. I'm trying to get up over here. It needs to break up and close. That's what I need here. That if it can close above this 274 area, it can confirm that they broke it. It's bouncing off the 90 MA. Let's see. Oh, you know what they're doing? They're hitting this resistance now. If they can break through this resistance, they're gonna have a good move. This candle can break through it. Okay, broke. It needs some follow through though. They broke it by not much. It needs to go up another cent to confirm that break. Then the volume's probably gonna pick up here. Okay, there's that break. The volume's already bigger than all the other candles already. And it's only been 25 seconds. Come on, let's see the break up to like 280. Going by level 2, there's like no, like this is such a cheap stock. So you would think you would see much bigger, like, what do you call this? Buying and selling pressure. But there really isn't. So I got up this 278. 278. See if this can get up to 280. I'll take a couple out here. Come on. Fill me. It went above me like twice, but I didn't get filled. It's a little weird. There we go. Okay. It's starting to go exponential. This is what I'm looking for here. Put that order out. Just in case they pop up. I don't know if they will. Wow. Okay. Can they pop up to 85? I'll put it down to 84 just in case. Come on, come on. 85. Let's see it. 85. It's going to have a red candle because it just had too many green candles. So it's going to have a pullback, hopefully down to these EMAs and come right back up. That's what I'm looking for. Anyway. Once it finally broke out of this trend, then that's when people stepped in. Look at the volume. I just noticed that. Everybody was waiting for the confirmation that it broke the trend. That's what everybody was waiting for here. That's why you had no volume. Nobody was buying. As soon as everybody saw it broke this trend line here, and it got above this 274 area, everybody bought. You could just tell by the volume. Everybody traded, I should say, because not everybody bought and sold. So now, after this candle, I'm going to look for a continuation right back up to my order. Hopefully. That's what I'm looking for. If it can do it, we'll have to see here. Okay. 83, 84. Let's see it. Needs to get above 82 here. It's in like a block. I'm going to have my finger on the cancel. Just in case they start to come down, I might just get out of full position. Maybe. No, they're going to go. There they go. Break above this new trend line. There'll be probably all the way up to new highs if they can break this new trend line. Now I'm going to hold my rest of my shares. Hopefully they could break this trend line here. Let me make this a little bigger. There we go. Up to 291 is going to be the new high. So if they can break this 286 level and this trend line, you can see they have huge resistance because that's actually where they both cross on this minute. Let's see here. It's been a good trade so far. It's been doing exactly what I've been wanting it to. My other trades were good trades, I would say. They just didn't work. I lost money on it, but that really is not what matters. It's all about how you executed in the trade. This trade, actually, the second trade I took was horrible. Why? Because I bought more shares instead of selling them by accident, which made a bigger loss. Okay. Get out with another two up there. If I can. They broke through this line. I'm actually going to hold. I feel like they can pop a lot harder here. Now that they broke through. I'm going to get out two there. I got two left. I'll get them up here at 89 if I can. All right. I'm good. I'm good with that trade. I am happy. I'm sure you guys would be happy with that too. That's a great trade. Where did I buy? Way down here? this where I bought? Right here, right? 270, yeah. First minute kill to make the new high is where I bought. That's my setup, and that's exactly why. Because that gives you, it tells you after a drop, the first minute candle making new high confirms it's starting the uptrend. It could be a fake out trend and come back down, but most of the time it's like a nice trend like this. And since we had all these nice breakouts, look at that making new highs. Let's see what happens here. I like how I scalped out my shares. I just wish I would have, if I had more money, I would have got in with probably 20 shares at least down here. So I might have actually been green on the day. I would have been green on the day if I didn't make this stupid mistake. Because I would have been out. Where did I buy those other 20? Let's see. I bought those 20 at 73. This is where I wanted to exit. Yeah. So I wanted to exit my 20 at 73, not buy more and exit all at 68. Literally at the bottom almost. That's why it cost me so much money. I would have definitely been green on the day if it wasn't for that mistake. But now I just know I have to be more careful of where I'm clicking and pay attention because I can't be making that stupid mistake. Alrighty. So what? I have $7. I guess I can try to use it in a trade. We can go like 2 shares. I'm gonna wait till market opens to take a trade because now they're kind of overextended. This trend line did just become a support for that candle. Looking at the 5-minute here. There's no clear setup to me. It's gonna pull back at market open. Then I can try to buy that quick dip in the first minute. That's kind of my game plan now, I guess. I guess that's my game plan. You can see the volume finally came in after a broke out. That's what I was going for. Today's definitely a bigger day share wise. Look at all those orders. Jesus. Yeah. Lots of orders. I had a lot more money to use. My account is getting bigger because I'm putting some money in there. I think I was down over 350. I brought it back almost $1.50. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with everything except for this one trade where I accidentally added shares instead of getting out. That's the only thing I'm unhappy with. And that literally is what caused me to go red today. But other than that, I'm happy with this first trade. I'm happy with this trade for sure. And I was happy with this trade until I added the shares. So 2 out of 3 trades were good to me. The other one was just not good. And just so you know, you can still have a bad trade and make money. Just like how you can have a good trade and lose money. At least in my perspective, I don't really care about the money in the trade. I mean, obviously, I'm trading to make money, but I really do care how the trade is. I want to make sure I'm getting in at good spots, getting out at good spots, analyzing them correctly, like I did in this trade. Like, this trade couldn't have gone any better. This is a perfect trade. This trade just didn't work out. Why? I would have to say there was no follow through, no, like, I don't know why. I honestly don't know why this trade didn't work out. There's just nobody bought. That's the only thing I could think of. It broke this trend line back here, and then it just fell, and it scared everybody out. Okay, so now they're finally gonna dip. So now I'd actually like to go long once this opens. Make sure I turn this today. Let's see. Got a minute and a half, roughly. After this trade, I'll be done with the day. I'm gonna pack up, go to work. I don't know if I'm gonna be. I don't know if this video is gonna be out at 4 or 5. Depends. If I can edit it quickly and get it out to schedule it for 4 p.m. because I have to leave soon. I have to leave in like 40 minutes here. So I don't know. I'm not gonna buy this candle yet. I have to wait for the next candle to make a new high over this candle to confirm it's going. So I'm gonna be buying that first minute candle. The first minute is the hardest candle to trade because it goes both ways, up and down, a lot, and you can't really time it because it's everybody from the other day holding their shares, getting out, all the day traders getting in, firms getting in, whatever it is. The price just goes back and forth a lot. So, game plan: if it can open above this candle and go, I'm gonna get in. That's the game plan. Okay. My market orders. Look at that market order not getting filled. I'm canceling it. I canceled it. You saw that? I canceled it. Look at that. Same thing that happened yesterday. Where did I get filled on that? 87. That's exactly what happened yesterday, but I couldn't record it. Exact same thing, guys. I'm not messing around. I canceled it. And it said canceled on my screen just like it did there. Well, it didn't say canceled that time. Because my market order was not getting filled. So I canceled it. Good enough. I'm happy with that. I'm very mad with this brokerage right now. My market order, you guys saw that. That's exactly what happened to me yesterday. But I canceled it. It said canceled. It went away like it did. You guys saw me hit cancel and the order was gone off my screen. It was gone. It didn't say canceled though. Yesterday, it did say canceled on my screen. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is why I exited as quick as I did. Because look at that. That's just crazy. No more money. This might be a support, but I can't trade anymore, so I'm just gonna have to call the video there. If you guys enjoy ASTC, let's go check them out. Oh, this is who I'm on. Actually, I need to click Gap Scanner. ASTC is the only one in there today. All right, is that true? Sometimes my watch list is weird, so we got to come in here. It is. This is the only stock today. Really, that's good. Literally the only stock. So that's weird. But anyway, if you guys do enjoy these live day trading videos, me talking out loud, live, my like everything I'm thinking, live analysis, live trades, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna quickly come back. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I'm trading pre-market, because as soon as market opens, that first minute is the only candle that ever goes. Everything else just continues to fall, going through all the supports and everything. This is why I don't get anymore. Like, you would think this is overextended. Can't talk. It went from $3 all the way down to like 260. That's an insane move for this tiny stock. What is that percent wise? Let's just see. If you're still watching at this point, you're a G. Anyway, that's 12%, almost 13%. This stock just ripped down, and it's still not going up. This is why I trade pre-market, because this is the only time where it's like real trading. Here, it's just falling in your face all day long. But that's the end of the video.